you can easily generate out audio tones inside of Shotcut as well. So to do that, you need to go around over here and onto open other option. And then over here, you can see audio tone is an option. And here you can select out the frequency of the audio tone you want to generate, and you can select the decibel level as well. So I'm going to say -1 dB right here and press OK. And you can hear out the audio right there. If you want to change out the audio hertz, then you can go around onto the frequency section right here, and then you can type in the hertz that you want to generate as well. So once you press the play button, you hear the audio waveform in a different pattern. You can click and drag this onto the timeline, and here you can see that audio tone is here now. Similarly, you can go around and change out the audio tone to even a higher frequency right here, like 5000. And it plays in a higher frequency. So that is how you can add and generate out audio tones in your Shotcut project. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.